Okay, now in my van life, I'm going to show you my favorite appliances. I have an induction cooktop and a microwave that was factory built into my road trek Chase that I live in full time. This is my next appliance, is an air fryer. It's a smaller air fryer from Amazon, but does the job great for one person. I did have this in my condo. I do use it in the van, not that much, but there's no oven in here, so this is great for making small portions of things that I would need an oven for, and it doesn't use that much electricity. So this is one extra appliance that I keep. The next, this is my favorite new find, also from Amazon. This is a Dash rice cooker, and you can see it's very cute. It comes in lots of different colors. I'll leave a link for this in the description. But this, not only does it cook rice, but it cooks pasta perfectly in the 20 minutes, the same setting. There's only one setting. It's very simple. You turn it on, you turn it off. That's it. Not any fancier than that. This is the size of the bowl. This big. And you can see how small it is. It's perfect for a good sized portion for one person or for two people. If you eat lesser portions, it'll probably work fine for you. Or you have to run it twice. Each cycle is 20 minutes. Comes with a little lid. This is the whole deal. The lid comes out. You can see there's a burner there, which I got a couple stains on. A lot of times when I'm getting ready to take a drive that's more than 20 minutes, so I don't just use up stored battery power in my van, I will put this in the sink. I put the water, pasta, rice, anything in it that I need. I keep a towel handy that I then pat it with a towel, because when you drive, of course, things move around and rock and spill. And sometimes this will boil over. So be prepared. Don't put it on any surface that hot water is going to damage, because quite often this will boil over a little bit and drip down the sides. I pad this all with a towel. I plug it in right here or right here. There's only the one button that turns it on and off. It cooks automatically in 20 minutes. This is primo and uses a very small amount of electricity. The next thing, these two next appliances are from Walmart. The My Mini single slice toaster. I think I paid about $8 for this. Also comes in different colors. Big enough for toast or a bagel or English muffin. So this is nice, and also it's slender. You can see it doesn't take up too much room to store. The next appliance I have, which is also very small, this is also part of the My Mini from Walmart. This is an egg cooker. I love my hard-boiled eggs. So this is perfect, cooks up to 7 eggs at a time. You can also get both of these things on Amazon. This, I was actually going to order it on Amazon and then just happened to come across it in Walmart. Holds 7 eggs, which is nice. A lot of them only hold 6. Also very simple, nothing but an on-off switch. Put a little bit of water in here, a pre-measured portion from this cup, which comes with it. This also has a very sharp needle point on the other side, because on each of the eggs you have to poke a little hole in it, which is very simple. I didn't know you could do that without cracking the egg, but you can. So this serves 2 purposes. The water goes in here, pre-measured. You can do soft-boiled, medium-boiled, or hard-boiled eggs in here. I've only made hard-boiled eggs, which is a 20-minute cycle. Put the eggs in here. Put this on. A lot of times I'll do this while I'm driving also. Plug it in, turn it on, 20 minutes, perfect eggs. And then you take the eggs out, at least for hard-boiled, and you put them in ice water for a few minutes. Far surpasses any of the eggs I have ever made. They peel well. So very, very happy with this little gadget, which I believe was also under $10. So those are my favorite appliances. And also, as far as storing them away, the two smallest ones, I will show you how I store them away. This little cooler I had still works exactly the same as a cooler, has a strap in here if I need it, but also since storage is a premium in these vans, every square inch helps. So I have discovered that this little rice pot goes right in here. You turn this upside down. This came with the egg cooker. It might have something to do with the hard or soft boiled eggs, but that goes in there. This I use. This slides right down in the side. You can see how perfectly that fits in there. The lid goes in here. Oh, one thing I do, I keep extra padding in here, once again, when I'm driving so things don't rattle around. I don't want to cause any damage. I really just don't want to hear the noise. So this gets padded in there. This goes in. I put the lid in here, once again, just to pad it for the noise. And then on top, always keep my Amazon bags for dual usage. That's it. And then I have a little cabinet right here above my TV that it just happens to fit perfectly in. Also, the towel fits in there also. So I'm going to put that in there and I'll show you a picture of what I do. So those are the extra appliances I have. I can't think of anything else that I might need. This serves every purpose that I had, even when I lived full-time in a condo. So I hope that helped you, and I will put the links for anything I use from Amazon in the description.